thing. Hey guys, I'm just now getting to sit down and say welcome to the vlog. We are spending 4 days in Disney World for a 15-year wedding anniversary. So I'll be vlogging along the way. It is the end of the day now, but let's rewind back to the beginning of the day. We started at, we left our house at 2:30 a.m. and our flight was at 6:15. So it's been a long day. We did a lot of fun stuff, which I will show here. After breakfast, we headed to the Disney character warehouses. There are 2 different locations, and they sell a lot of things that maybe didn't sell in the parks for a discount. A lot of people have good luck there. We didn't really find a whole lot. We thought maybe this was like a one and done thing. We probably don't need to do it again, but it was fun to see it once and kind of see all the different merch that they have there. Next, we headed over to Disney Springs and we did some shopping and we had a delicious lunch at Polite Pig. Was not expecting the corn to be on the cob still. Best we could do. While we were at lunch, we got a text that our room was already ready at Animal Kingdom Lodge. So we headed over there to check everything out, and we absolutely fell in love with this resort. I highly recommend it. Here at Animal Kingdom Lodge, and this is our tour of our room at Dumbo House. Here's the bathroom. 2 sinks. Shower. Across from the bathroom, we have a little kitchenette area, a little fridge, and look,
Take a picture of the TV.
Simba's on the wall. Yep. We got coffee, the bed, a little closet. Our TV did say, "Welcome to the family." That's cool. And a little table and a mirror. Ooh, there's a ceiling fan. Little couch. And the best part, cool. A balcony, and we were supposed to have a standard view, but we can see some animals out here, so it's pretty cool. Around dinner time, we took the shuttle to Kidani Village, which is the other section of the resort besides Jumbo House, and we explored there a little bit until our dinner reservation at Sanaa, which ended up being my favorite restaurant of the trip. I loved it. Had to get the bread service. Which one do you like the best?
That one.
I think I do too.
Which one of those ones?
That one or that one? The server gave us this special dessert to celebrate our 15-year wedding anniversary, so that was a special way to end the meal. Standard view. They all come out at night. The highlight was dinner at Sanaa, so I've been wanting to do that for a long time, and it was delicious. And we spent some time at Disney Springs, and just most of the time we were just exploring Animal Kingdom Lodge, and I knew it was going to be cool, but I feel like I have fallen in love with it. We've been able to see lots of animals outside our window or our balcony, even though we only have a standard view room, so it's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna sign off now. I thought I heard somebody. It was the TV. I should have turned that off, huh? But we have a big day tomorrow. We're doing the Keys to the Kingdom tour at Magic Kingdom and spending the whole day there. So stay tuned for that day. It's going to be a lot of fun, even though I won't be able to record anything during the Keys to the Kingdom tour. But thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe if you haven't.